Welcome to this beginner-friendly yoga session designed for good health and overall well-being. These simple yet powerful poses will improve flexibility, posture, and relaxation, making them perfect for all age groups. Whether you're new to yoga or looking for a daily routine, these asanas will help you feel refreshed and balanced. Breathe deeply, move mindfully, and let's begin.
Let's do Vrikshasana, the tree pose, and we are starting standing on the mat. Bring your body weight onto the left leg and then bring the right foot on the left thigh. Beautiful. Engage your abs, push your hips forward, push the knee back. Inhale, bring your hands up above your head, let the finger touch. Look straight in front of you for balance. And we stay for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands down, foot down, and we change sides. This time the left leg is going to the right thigh. Engage the abs, hips, knee. Inhale, arms up. Let the finger touch. Find your balance, and we stay for 3, 2, 1, and come back down. Fantastic. Let's do Balasana, the child pose. Let's go. Okay, we're starting on Vrikshasana, sitting on our knees and at the edge of the mat. And then inhale, exhale, start walking with your hands in the direction of the other side of the mat until you stretch your arms and then drop the forehead on the mat. Let the elbows fall on the mat as well. Slow down your inhalations and exhalations. Take a minute here. And then walk back with your hands, coming back into the starting posture. Beautiful. Let's do Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend. Ready? Sit at the edge of your mat, facing the short side of the mat. Outstretch your legs. You can move the skin from your buttocks to make sure that you're sitting on the sit bones. Inhale, bring your arms up above the heads, and then as you exhale, start leaning forward. The movement is led by the belly. So we start leaning forwards until you can catch your feet. Inhale, exhale. Here, the breath is key. Take long exhalation to make space in the body and to get deeper in the pose. For 3, 2, 1, inhale, come back up, and you can come out of the pose, coming back to the starting posture. Fantastic. Let's do Chakravakasana, the cat and cow pose. Let's go. Come here on a tabletop posture. Make sure that your shoulders are stacked above the wrists and the hips above the knees. Take a deep inhalation. Open your chest, lift up the head, drop the navel down, arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Bring your chin closer to the chest. Inhale, come back up. Go with your own rhythm. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Beautiful. Come back to a neutral back. And then come back to your sitting posture. Beautiful. Let's do Bhujangasana, the Cobra Pose. Are you ready? We're starting this time on the belly. Bring your hands next to your shoulders and your feet together. And with our next inhalation, we're gonna bring the chest up using the back muscles. We're not pushing ourselves, we're using the back muscle to stay up. Bring your feet together, slightly above the ground, and we're staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back down. You can push yourself back up, and we're coming back in our starting posture. Beautiful. Let's do Skandha Chakra, the shoulder rolls. Are you ready? Sit on your mat in a cross-legged position, and then bring your hands in front of you, palms facing up, and drop your hands on your shoulders. Bring the elbows together, and then inhale, start rotating. Inhale up, and exhale as you go down. Take your time. One more. And the next time you arrive up, just change the direction. One more time. Beautiful. And you can let go of the hands, bring them back on the knees, and relax. Let's do Vrikshasana, the thunderbolt posture. Ready? We're starting here in a cross-leg sitting position. And then I'm gonna bend the left leg, bringing the foot behind me. I'm gonna connect the right knee with the left knee. Fantastic. And then simply sit here on my feet. Bring your hands on your knees. Keep the back straight, the shoulders relaxed, and take a long inhalation. Exhale. Let's take a couple of breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. One last deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And then whenever you want, you can leave the posture, coming back into our seated cross-leg position. Beautiful. Let's do Prasarita Padottanasana, the wide-legged forward bend. And we are starting standing on the mats. Here, open your legs wider, as wide as comfortable, making sure that the toes are pointed outwards. Let the legs be a little bit soft, no overstretching. Put your hands on your hips and start leaning forward, keeping the spine straight. Lean forward, stop halfway. Inhale. Exhale, keep leaning forward. Bring your hands on the mat. And let's drop the head on the mat. We're staying here for 3, 2, 1, and come back up, pushing yourself with the hands halfway, and then bend the legs and come all the way back up. Legs together and relax. Hi, let's do Vrikshasana, the stick pose. Alright, so from our sitting posture, we're gonna transition to laying on our back. So come here on your mat and lay on the back. And then engage your abs. Inhale, bring your arms up above your heads. Here, make sure your whole body is engaged, strong. You're like a wooden stick. And we stay here for 3, 2, 1. And then exhale, bring your arms back along your side and sit up again. Let's do Urdhva Hastasana, the upward salute pose. Let's go. So start standing on your mat, bringing your feet together. Engage your abs, rolled back your shoulders. Bring your chin slightly closer to the chest. The body is in a nice and straight line. And then inhale, bring slowly your arms up above yourself until the palms are facing. Relax the shoulder and try to make yourself taller. You can look up at your finger, trying to expand the spine. 3, 2, 1. And exhale, bring the hands down and slowly relax.
Great job. Take a moment to feel the openness and relaxation in your body. Even a few minutes of yoga every day can enhance your health and well-being. Stay consistent, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey. Take a deep breath in and out. See you in the next session.